And for this one we've got wheat flour, eggs, melted butter, sugar, anise, and water that's hidden off screen. And now we're going to start mixing our dry ingredients, starting with our flour. Then the anise. And the sugar. Then we're going to add the butter. And then we'll add the eggs. And the hidden water. Now this wouldn't come together as thick as I wanted, so I added some extra flour. The extra flour has been accounted for in the ingredients list. And after adding the extra flour, I used a hand mixer with dough hooks to knead it into a soft dough. And then we're going to let it rest for about 15 to 20 minutes before rolling it out on our worktop. Okay, there are two things you can do here. The recipe says to make little rolls, so I cut my dough into strips and smear some melted butter over them before rolling them up. And you can also just take a piece of dough and roll it up into a little ball. I tried both methods and they both work. The second method is a bit easier and a bit quicker, so I would recommend trying that one. And you just bake them the same way as the other waffles we've tried. And they taste exactly like good quality ice cream cones. Mine are too thick, but if you can manage to make them thinner, you can actually have a pretty good snack.